Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Gene Bytes. In this week's video, we are going to see how to deploy Mac instances in AWS Cloud. This is a very new feature recently released by AWS just less than 10-15 days back. So I am into my console right now. We are going to walk through the step-by-step process. Let me see if there are any currently running Mac instances in my account because before this demo, I have tried it a couple of times to make sure those steps. So I'm going to search for the any running Mac instances. Currently, I'm in the Singapore region. Just make a note that this feature is available only in particular regions such as Singapore, US, North Virginia, these regions. Okay, I don't have any running Mac instances, so I'm going to go and deploy one. The first step should be deploying the host, but I want to show you what will happen if you deploy the virtual machine directly before deploying the host. Okay, I have selected the Mac machine and their version. Uh, just see the family type and how many vCPUs you need, memory, and the network performance details. Okay, I'm going to configure the instance details now. Okay, I want to deploy one instance. I have selected my VPCs and what will be the subnet and all those other details. And if you want to place it in the placement group, those details. Scroll down and okay, here is the option to select which host you want to launch this Mac instance. Okay, I don't have any running host right now. You see it? So if I click deploy, it's going to give me an error saying that you need to define the host first. Choose a host. Now in this step, I'm going to show you how to create a dedicated host for running your Mac instances. Okay, here you go. I'm giving a name for it. I'm selecting the instance family, Mac 1, and the type of instance and which availability zone I want to deploy. This it's okay. It's not available in my availability zone, US East 1. Okay, it should be US 1B or 1C. I'm going to select 1B right now. And it's not available in 1B as well. There is an insufficient capacity error message I'm getting. Select 1B. So I'm going to select the another availability zone, 1C. And yes, it got launched. Just make sure the state of your dedicated host. Sometimes it will be in the pending state. Okay, for me here it is in available states and deployed in availability zone 1C. Just randomly checking my configuration of my host, and I'm going to launch the Mac instance into my host. Okay, I'm selecting the Mac version Catalan 10.15.7 and I'm filling the basic details just for your information. Okay, um, in the configure instant details page, you will be selecting your host which you created in the previous steps. Okay, and these are other generic details. Okay, here is the option. If you have a host resource group, you can select it. Otherwise, the host will be automatically taken in this page. If you see here, my host is already assigned to this virtual machine. I just want to show that the machine host ID in this step and the instance launch page are the same. Yes, it's same. And if you want to give some startup behavior, you can put it here. And the storage, you can change it as per your convenient. For the demo purpose, I am giving 30 GB. Next will be the adding the tags. Adding the tags is one of the very good feature in AWS, which I like the most. It will help you in managing this instance, understanding the building, all those details. And I'm creating a security group to connect my instance to the SSH and also through the SSH and also through the VNC. So for demo purpose, I'm allowing all the ports, but in the real-time scenario, you should be aware what are the ports to be allowed. Okay, and I'm launching the instance. just to make sure the configurations are right. Okay, instance details, storage, tags, and launch. Okay, I don't have any key pair in this North Virginia region. I'm going to create a new key pair, MacLab key pair. I'm going to download a copy of it, save it to my computer, and launch instance. Instance is launching. Okay, it's ready. Let me see if there are any errors. No errors, good to go. Go back to the EC2 console. Okay, it's initializing right now. It will take 10 minutes. Now my machine is ready and status check. I can see green, 2 bar 2 checks are passed. I'm just trying to see if there are any system logs I can see. No, I cannot see any system logs. Let's try to see um, the current monitoring window. Go to monitor and troubleshoot. Just see the instant screenshot. No, I cannot see any instance screenshot as well. Not a problem. Let me try to connect the instance to the SSH. Just make sure the status checks are getting passed, because before this demo, I tried couple of times and it gave me an error in the status check. Okay, I have copied my DNS name of the host, sorry, the VM, and I have mapping the key which I created in the previous steps. Okay, guys, I'm inside the SSH section of my Mac right now. The default username is EC2-user. Okay, I'm in. To connect to the VNC for the GUI mode, you need to run a couple of commands. These commands are already available in the AWS documentation, which is mentioned in the first command. You can go refer to it. I'm just changing the password, because when you connect through the VNC, you need the password, not only the SSH keys. Okay, the password is set. It's giving me an error. I'm trying again. Okay, I'm running the command. Okay, it's ready to connect the VNC now. Okay, done. Now we need to run a couple of commands in PowerShell to make sure there is a tunnel established between the host and your computer to launch the VNC. This is the command. This command is also available in the AWS documentation. I'm opening my VNC, connecting the local host, and the port I have mentioned is 5900. It's connecting, taking a couple of seconds. Yes, it's launched right now. I am getting the login screen of my Mac machine. I'm entering the password which I created in the previous step. Okay, I'm into the machine right now. You see, I can see my network interfaces. There is a Thunderbolt connected to it. Really nice. The performance is little slow because I'm connected to the United States data center. Currently, I'm in UAE data center. Let's see the hardware informations. It's Mac Mini 8.1, i7 3.2 GHz processor, 6 GB RAM. I hope the AWS will bring this feature in all the regions. Just I'm checking other options in Mac, how it looks like. I can see the system performance and all other options. system performance version is 14.0. That's it, guys. Just browsing the internet, our YouTube channel, how the performance looks like. That's it, guys. If you like this video, comment and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video soon. Bye.